This is Irontrader, and this is midday trading. So we're going to take a look here and see what natural gas is doing, what crude oil is doing, and then today we're going to take a look here at Bitcoin, BTC. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have natural gas daily chart. Now, you can see here, we made a higher high today, and basically that's sold right off. So your high today was 2.82. So basically, you just want to look to the left here. If you watched my video this morning, I said next resistance is going to be 2.85. Just didn't quite get there. Now, again, if this happens to reverse, then that's what you want to watch is at 2.85. The next level here is going to be that 2.92 sitting right there, okay? Now, again, if this can break above that key price channel, okay, that 2.92, then what we'll do is we're going to be looking at this candle right here, 2.96. So just take that price channel, come right across, and that's what we have is 2.96, okay? Then you can do is just rally right on up here, okay? The next level is going to be that 3.01. And then what we'll do is we'll come to the bottom here. You're obviously looking 3 flat. That's always a key. And then we can look here at, you look at the low, looking at 310, and then we look here at 3.18, and then you can go 3.23. We have 3.37, and then right there is 3.39. That's your big retest, okay? But however, I always like to show you where it could possibly go, but you got to close above this 2.92. I mean, not just smash above, but close above. Then your next level is right here at that 2.96. And then just look for that, well, this is 3.01, but look for that 3 level. Usually those round numbers are usually pretty significant, okay? Now, downside here, well, you can see where she came off, made a red candle. So what you're really looking for is this 8 simple moving average. You're looking at 2.633. That is going to be very, very critical, okay, on a closing basis. As long as it closes above it, we're in good shape or just sideways action. If that's lost here, then you want to come right to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 2.56. And then we have right there, you're looking at 2.50. There's your 21 SMA here. And then we have your 200-day at sitting at 2.45. Okay, so that's all going to be very, very key support level. The one that you really want to watch today is right here is this 8 SMA. As long as you close above here, then we got a good trading range here that we can go. You close below it, then you're going to start looking for these other SMAs at 2.50 and that 2.45 level there, okay? Very easy. Upside, just watch today's high, 2.82. Next level, 2.85, and then we have your 2.92. That is going to be your big breakout. Okay, let's take a look here on a weekly chart. Okay, here we have natty gas on your weekly chart. Now you can see here you're holding up this 50-day here very, very nicely. Okay, so we had like a tweezer top situation, but you held that 50-day, which is always very key. Okay, so you're sitting at 2.497, just call it 2.50. That's really what you're looking for. As long as you can hold that level, I should say, okay, then it gives it a chance for this 8 simple moving average here to move right on up. You can see how nicely it crossed the 21-day, and now you're sitting at 3.31. If it can keep right on holding right on up here and cross that 50-day, that's very, very bullish, and we could send it higher. So what you're looking for here, you have that today's high, 2.82. This is your next level you're looking for. That's basically at 2.85. And then there's your top of your candle you're looking at is that 2.924, okay? Right above it, we have the 2.96, and then you have your 3.0 level here. But realistically, as long as you can hold that 50-day, this is looking here not too bad. Okay, let's take a look here on a 5-minute. Okay, actually here we have a 1-minute chart and a 5-minute chart. This is real simple here. Just put one on top of the other. Makes life a lot easier, okay? So you can get some kind of a clarity what's going on here, okay? So what we had here, natural gas here, you can see where it ripped up here really nicely this morning. But then when you see that topping tail candle and you went below that 8 SMA here, okay? See, so if you're trading this like what I do, always watch for that signal. When you see that, that's not going to be the end all be all. But once you get below that 8 SMA here, look at here. See, it's just good night, Irene, all the way down to the bottom there, okay? So this is what you got to really watch here. Now, again, there's also a very nice scalp here because we had a low, and then we went up, and then we retested it with this low. So that was, for me, it was a nice scalp here on the UNG here again to take this all the way just a little bit higher here. Now, again, it kind of faded out here. You can see where we had a top and down. Once I seen that red candle, boom, I'm out of the trade, okay? So that's how you got to look at it. Always look at when it comes to the bottom. You never want to buy the bottom. Always buy the retest. That's what I always look for. And then you can ride it up. It's above that 8 SMA. Now I'm flat. I have no position. Okay. So this is here your 5-minute chart. Now, if you're trading on a 1-minute chart, you can also do, I also do a tick chart. And, if you want to slow the trade down, 15-minute, 30-minute, or an hour chart and 4-hour chart, that's always works there too. Okay. So here you have your 1-minute chart. You can see it a lot clearer here on your 5-minute chart. That's why I always like the 5-minute just a little bit better here. But this is that double bottom situation where it came down, sold down low, and then right there, see, that was the buy point, and then she ran right on up here, and this here was the selling point as soon as you get that red candle. So if you compare the charts here side by side, like I have one over the other here, okay, it makes it a little bit easier to see a little bit more clarity, okay? So we had that stair step down, see that stair step down, and then it came all the way down here. So I don't buy it down because that could have stair stepped down again. But once it went sideways, came down, retested, and held it with a higher low, okay? See that low right there? Okay, you're looking at 2.66, and then we retested it with this at 2.67. That tells me that's the buying opportunity. Green candle, take it right on up here, all the way up here. But then once I see this red candle, boom, I'm out. If it ran up, so what? Okay, you got the 200-day right above that. That's going to be resistance anyway. So just take it out, and then now no position. Okay, let's take a look here and see what crude oil is doing. Okay, here we have crude oil daily chart. Now you can see here this series lower high, lower lows. You watched my video this morning. This is never good. I'm waiting for a reversal candle. Okay, a reversal candle is basically just looks like something like that order. It comes in different looks. Looks like that. Looks like this. Looks like old sticky here, and it looks like this. Okay, so what you want is that bottoming tail. Have the candle turn green. That tells you that the selling is pretty much done. Okay, now again. Right now, see, we don't have that. We just have red candles. So right now, I'm still with the SCO, the short. Okay. So until you get this reversal, this just looks lower. Okay. Especially when you get a low, lower low, lower low, lower low, and lower low kind of a situation. So today, we put a low of 72.48. All you got to do is just look here right to the left of the chart. Your next level here is going to be right there. Okay. 72.38, and then right here you got 71.79, and then we looked at the bottom of that candle, 71.41. Okay, just bring that price channel right up. Okay, then you bring the next channel here, right there. You're looking at 70.50. You bring this channel right across here. You're looking at 70.13, and then we bring that price channel there. You're looking here at 69.28, and again, you could come there as low as here as 67.71. Very, very easily. Okay, so just follow the candles. Always go to the left because now that's all your support levels here. Very, very easy. Upside, well, we're looking at yesterday's low. Okay, so you're looking at 73.98. And then what we do is we just come up here to the next level right there. You're looking at 75.54, 75.52. See that double bottom situation? And then we're looking to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 76.15. And then we start targeting here into these SMAs here, okay? So there's your 8 simple moving average, 77.06. And then your 21-day at 78.12 here. But see how this, your 21-day crossed all your averages, your 8-day cross out. That is bearish, okay? Nothing to it. There is no positive sign here at all. This just looks lower until we get ourselves one of them reversal candles. Okay, let's take a look here at Bitcoin. Okay, here we have Bitcoin daily and your weekly chart. Now, this is looking here very, very good. Now, I did this over the weekend, and I was basically pointing out this key 8 SMA here. If that's lost, and you look right here to your 21-day and your 50 SMA. But what you have here is really some really nice, good, if you're trading this sideways action. I don't really trade Bitcoin. I got too much other stuff here on the old docket here to trade. But again, if you are trading Bitcoin, what you really want to watch on the upside is watch this price channel. Okay, so you're sitting at 72.360. This is the key. Okay, 72.360. If you can get above that, then we just come right to the next price channel, and we're looking right there. You're looking at 73.380. That's your next resistance, and then your 74.415. That is your next resistance, and that is your breakout. Okay, so that's what you got to look. You break out of that, you're going to go to 100K very, very easily. You know, just simple as that. It's going to go to that round number kind of situation. Now, I might not get there, might get to 99999 or something like that, but that's where you're headed to if you can crack that 74.415. Now, what you have to worry about here is when you look at this price channel at 72.360, is this going to be a double top situation? Okay, so we had this high here, 74.15, and then we retested it here with this 73,380, and then you can see that was a double top situation, and then she fell right on down. Okay, so what we had here is we have kind of like an inverse head and shoulders. There's your head, your left shoulder, your right shoulder, and then she popped right on up. So the question is going to be, is it going to break through that 72,360 and go higher, or is it going to double top situation and come right back down again here? So what you want to watch on the downside is watch that 8 SMA. Okay, you're looking at 68,741. Then watch that 21-day at 66,499, and then we have your 50-day right below that at 66,236. Then we can just follow these candles down, but realistically, you're going to be looking at this 100 SMA at 59,950. How? Which is a very, very cool here on the weekly chart here, because this shows it very, very clearly. Exactly. Okay. So if it breaks out through this level here, okay, and it doesn't double top, then we got to watch that level. But this is the level that you're going to want to watch at 74.15 right here. Okay. Is it going to double top that situation, or is it going to blast above? Now, even if it blasts above and it closes below, that could still be a double top situation, and then she could come selling right on down. Now, again, if you break above that, well, then there's that 100K very, very strong right there. So you have all these levels here, that 21-day, that 50-day, your 8 SMA here, and then we have your 8 simple moving average here on your weekly chart. Very, very good. And then right below, we have your 21-day here sitting way down here, okay? So those are all your good support levels there. And then this here, just watch that level right there, 72,360. You break above, well, then we're going to go here, then you're going to go there. If you break above that, then you're going to go to 100K, just as simple as that. Okay, easy peasy. Okay, that's what I got for you. A little natty, a little crude, a little Bitcoin. I'll be back here after the pit close, and we're going to go a little bit more in depth on crude oil and natural gas. And don't forget, the API number on crude will be out today at 4:30. Okay, thanks for watching.